हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज Yashri. वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. आज का टॉपिक एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड है. In this class we will doing about some the names of exocrine gland and their functions, and we will study them in the details. Before starting our class, I would like to tell you that what is exocrine gland. Any organ which make juice and enzyme is exocrine gland. Exocrine gland is a duct gland. Now we will study some names of the exocrine gland. There are some glands in the exocrine gland. First is salivary gland. Salivary gland are six, three this side and three this side. So salivary gland are six in three pairs. Now sweat gland. Sweat glands are many. Okay. Now sebaceous gland. These glands are also many. Mammary gland. Mammary gland are two. Lacrimal gland. Lacrimal gland are also two. Pancreas. Pancreas is one. Pancreas is a mixed gland because it do the function of endocrine also and exocrine also. Now gastric gland. Gastric glands are many. Liver secrete bile. It has bile glands which are one. Liver is one. Now ceruminous gland. This is many. Mucus gland. Mucus glands are also many. Intestinal gland and Brunner's gland. We will study about these glands. So first of all, we will study salivary gland. Salivary gland are of three types in three pairs. Three this side and three this side. Total six. There are three types of salivary gland. Which type? Like parotid gland, submandibular gland and sublingual gland. Parotid gland. It is located nearby the ear. It is the largest salivary gland. Here in the image you can see it is located nearby the ear. Submandibular gland. This gland is located in between the mandibular jaw. Sublingual jaw is located behind the tongue. In the image you can see their locations. Now the functions. It produces saliva which contain amylase enzyme to digest carbohydrate. When we eat food, so these glands produce saliva. It includes the amylase enzyme which digests the carbohydrate, not totally but partially. Okay. Now sweat gland. Sweat gland are of two types. One is acrine gland, second is apocrine gland. Acrine gland found over all the body, it secretes the water sweat. It is found over all the body, our hands, our skin and everywhere. Okay, so this secrete the water sweat. This will secrete the water sweat. Now, apocrine gland. Apocrine gland is found in armpits. This secrete the thick sweat. This secrete water sweat which do not smell, and this secrete thick sweat which do smell. Okay, it is located under our underarms. It is located nearby the underarms. Regulate body temperature through the sweat secretion. It regulates the body temperature by the sweat secretion. Now we have done sweat gland. Now we will do sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland are many. It secretes sebum. Sebum means oil. Okay. It secretes sebums to lubricate and waterproof skin and hair. It secretes sebum with soft and make the skin and hair soft and waterproof. Now location. Attached to the hair follicles in the skin. Here you can see it is attached to the hair in the hair follicles. Okay. Now we will do mammary gland. We will do mammary gland. Mammary gland functions. So mammary gland functions. It produce and secrete milk for nourishing newborn baby. It produce and secrete milk for nourishing newborn baby. Now lacrimal gland. Lacrimal gland secrete lysozyme enzyme. It secrete lysozyme enzyme. What is its function? It produce tears and lubricant in the eyes and provide a protective function. Okay, so ये जो lacrimal gland होता है वो प्रोड्यूस करता है टीयर्स को जो कि आईज को लुब्रिकेंट बनाती हैं एंड प्रोवाइड करता है एक प्रोटेक्टिव फंक्शन को. लोकेशन कहाँ होता है? अबव द लैटरल एंड ऑफ ईच आई. ठीक है, लैटरल के अबव एंड सारे आई के एंड पे. ओके, here in image you can see this is lacrimal gland. What it do? It forms tear. It do the formation of tear. There is punctum muscles. Now when the tear form, the tear come in the punctum muscles and the punctum muscles stores the tear. There is present Meibomian gland. This secrete oil which help the which is like when जब हम सो के उठते हैं तो फिर जब भी ये जो ऑयल होता है ये इकट्ठा हो जाता है साइड्स में, फिर हम ऐसे निकालते हैं. ठीक है, ये ऑयल जो होता है वो आईज को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. ओके, now pancreas. We will do pancreas. We have done salivary gland, sweet gland, sebaceous gland, mammary gland, lacrimal gland. Now we will do pancreas. In pancreas we have done alpha, beta, delta. Now we will do F cell. F cell do the formation of pancreas juice, which is the pancreas juice like pancreatic juice like LAT. L for lipase, which do the digestion of fat. A for amylase, which do the digestion of carbohydrate, and T for trypsin, which digests protein. Now gastric gland. Gastric gland, its function is secrete the gastric juice. It secretes the gastric juice. Now in stomach there are HCl, renin and pepsin. Okay, which helps it in digestion. Now location, where the gastric juice is located. Gastric juice is located in the lining of the stomach. Like this type of our stomach is. So in the lining of the stomach, the gastric gland are present. Now we will do liver. Liver is a bile gland. It has hepatic cell which produce bile. Its function is produce bile which do the emulsification of fat and help in the other digestion. Means ये जो hepatic cell है वो bile का formation करता है and ये किस में हेल्प करता है? ये फैट के इमल्सिफिकेशन में हेल्प करता है एंड अदर डाइजेशन में भी हेल्प करता है. नाउ लोकेशन कहाँ होता है? अप. लोकेशन इज अपर राइट एब्डोमेन. एब्डोमेन क्या होता है, मैंने आपको बहुत बार बताया कि एब्डोमेन कैविटी क्या होता है, चेस्ट कैविटी क्या होता है। डायफ्राम के ऊपर वाला चेस्ट कैविटी होता है एंड डायफ्राम के नीचे वाला एब्डोमेन कैविटी होता है। हियर इज लिवर, लिवर हियर इज हेपेटिक सेल, द बाइल फॉर्म फ्रॉम द हेपेटिक सेल। नाउ ceruminous gland, ceruminous gland function, it produce ear wax, it is presented in the ear, it is located in ear, it produce ear wax or cerumen to protect the ear canal. Okay, here is ceruminous gland present, it produce the cerumen which protect the ear canal. Location, where this ceruminous gland is located, ceruminous gland is located in the ear canal. Okay, this is the outer part, outer part covers the ear canal also, so ceruminous gland is located in the ear canal. In image you can see. Now we will do Brunner's gland. Okay, Brunner's gland function are, it secrete alkaline mucus to neutralize stomach acid entering to the duodenum. जब भी हम खाना खाते हैं तो वो स्टोमक में प्रोसेस होता है। अभी स्टोमक में हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड तो प्रेजेंट है, HCl तो प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है। सो ये क्या होता है, ये प्रोड्यूस करता है एल्कलाइन म्यूकस को, और एल्कलाइन म्यूकस प्रिवेंट करता है कि HCl जो है वो ड्यूडेनम में नहीं जाए। यदि HCl ड्यूडेनम में जाएगा तो फिर क्या होगा, ड्यूडेनम को हार्म होगी। ओके, नाउ लोकेशन, इसका लोकेशन कहाँ है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में होता है। कौन से पार्ट में, ड्यूडेनम में। यहाँ आओ तो यहाँ पे ड्यूडेनम है, there is jejunum and last is ileum. There are three parts, duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Okay, now intestinal gland function, it secrete the digestive enzyme. Now we will do intestinal gland. So it secretes the digestive enzymes and mucus which help in nutrients absorption. ये स्क्रीट करता है, क्या करता है, डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स को स्क्रीट करता है एंड म्यूकस को भी स्क्रीट करता है, जो कि न्यूट्रिएंट्स को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं। लोकेशन लाइनिंग ऑफ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, जो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन होता है उसके लाइनिंग पे ये प्रेजेंट होता है। नाउ म्यूकस ग्लैंड, म्यूकस ग्लैंड इज फाउंड इन सेवरल डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी। म्यूकस ग्लैंड जो होता है वो बहुत सारे पार्ट हमारे बॉडी के पार्ट्स में प्रेजेंट होता है, लाइक माउथ, स्टोमक, ठीक है। म्यूकस ग्लैंड secrete mucus that help to keep the skin slippery and moist. म्यूकस ग्लैंड जो होता है वो स्क्रीट करता है म्यूकस को, जो कि स्किन को वो स्लिपरी बनाता है एंड मॉइस्ट बनाता है। ओके, आई होप आपको एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड समझ आ गया होगा। यदि आपको इसका एक पिक लेना है तो फिर आप ले सकते हैं। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय।